Good morning. A very beautiful morning, dear students. Welcome back, English Bal Bharti, class 4. Now, today we have to learn through the online lectures. If we are in class, then we will take this activity. That is our next lesson from English Bal Bharti textbook. Let's see which one. Chapter number 26, Be a Chef. If we are present at in our class, then we will take this activity in class. But better way, you have to do this activity with your parents, with your elder ones at home, and take the photograph and send into the group. Chapter number 26, Be a Chef. Let's see what we have to do in this activity. Delight your family with these tasty and nourishing dishes. Now we are going to prepare a tasty and delicious dishes today. Which one? First one, A, C, salad. What goes in the salad? Let's see what the ingredients we want to make a salad tasty and delicious. First one, medium sized carrot, one medium sized cucumber, cabbage, coriander, peanuts, crush, salt according to taste, a pepper, then sugar, lemon juice, and last one finally ginger. All these ingredients we want to prepare for the salad. Let's move forward. How to make a salad? How to make a salad? It means which step we have to follow when we are making salad. First one, clean and wash the vegetables well. If you are going to make a salad from the vegetables, then you have to wash first one the vegetables. There are chemicals and powders also. So first one we are clean the vegetables and wash it properly. Pat dry with a clean napkin or towel. It means you have to clean all the vegetables with the napkin. Grate the carrot and the cucumber. Grate means you have to peel out the carrot and cucumber. You may peel the cucumber before grating it. Before you use cucumber, cut off both its end. It means when you are peel out the cucumber, before that first and last both ending you have to cut it. Then cut off thin slices from both. It means you have to should cut the cucumber into the thin slices, cut into the thin pieces also. Taste the slice to make sure that cucumber is not bitter to taste. When you are cut the cucumber, then you have to taste it. The cucumber is not a bitter for to the taste. Grate the cabbage till you have 2 tablespoon of grated cabbage. After that you have to grate the cabbage also. Now mix the grated carrot, cabbage and cucumber. It means 3 vegetables you are cut properly, wash properly and clean properly. After that you have to mix it well. Carrot, cabbage and cucumber. Next one. See, sprinkle a little salt after cutting the all vegetables proper way. Then sprinkle the salt. You have to spread the salt on that all vegetables. Pepper on the mixture and add a quarter spoon of sugar. It means sprinkle a salt, pepper and the sugar on that vegetables. Grate the ginger using a small grater. Add the grated ginger to the mixer. Then add the little much ginger into the vegetables. Add a juice of half a lemon. lemon juice you have to add into the vegetable salad. Add the crushed peanut, mix the salad well. When you are adding the peanuts, then mix the salad well with the help of the spoon. If you like, you may add pieces of small chilies to the salad. If you want to spicy salad, then you can add the chili also. Put the salad in a clean bowl. Then all salad you have to put into the clean bowl. Wash the coriander. Wash the coriander. Cut the garnish salad with it. Then let some taste the salad. Ask you if you need to add more salt, and you have to give someone, your parents, your brother or sister, to taste the salad how it is, and sugar or lemon juice to salad and adjust the taste. If someone tell you to add the salt or lemon juice and sugar, then you have to add it, and now your salad is ready. First one, when you are going to make or made a salad, then you have to take all vegetables, cucumber, then cabbage, all the necessary ingredients. Then first one, wash the all vegetables properly, then clean the vegetables and cut it in the proper way. Mix it well, add all the ingredients in it and serve it to other members in your family. Now, one more dish we are going to prepare here. During the Makar Sankranti, we are preparing, or we are making a ladus from til. So let's see second recipe, or be a chef, how you are going to be a chef. Second one, for your sweet tooth, it means for the sweet taste, what we are making today. Materials: roasted peanuts 2 small bowls, jaggery half a bowl, then 1 1/2 teaspoon of ghee. Let's start the recipe. How to prepare a peanuts ladus. Steps: peel and crush the peanuts, crush or slice the jaggery lumps, then knead and mix the peanuts into the jaggery. First one, you have to crush the peanuts, peel it well, then cut out the slice of jaggery. Then need to mix the peanuts and jaggery well. You have to mix it well. Add a little much ghee into if necessary. When you knead it well and mix well like a lump of dough, then you have to put it in your hand and try to roll it, try to circle it in the proper shape like as a small ball. Taking a small portion of the mixture at the time, shape it into a ball. It means you have to take the roasted peanuts, then jaggery, then ghee. You have to peel the peanuts, crush it well properly, then add the jaggery into it, and next one, if you are necessary, then take the ghee to mix it well, and you have to taking a small portion of the mixture and shape it into like as a ball, and small balls if you are ready with your sweet til ladus. Now your peanuts ladu are ready. It means your peanuts ladus are ready. So today we are making, or we are learn about two tasty delicious dishes. That first one salad, and second one is the peanut ladus. I hope do you understood this recipe. But if you are going to prepare or making these recipes, take your parents or elder one help and send the pics into the group if you are preparing your own self all this recipe. I hope do you understood this recipes very well. Let's see in the next lecture. Be happy and healthy. Eat a healthy and very delicious dishes all the time. Thank you.